Hey creators, do you want to make a stunning dot and mandala in just 2 minutes? No fancy tools needed, only simple things you already have at home. By the end of this video, you'll have a colorful, balanced model ready to display. Let's dot. You'll need big paper or cardstock, a pencil, eraser, ruler, or compass optional, acrylic paper. Lift straight up to keep it round and clean. Step 3. Build outward. Add your first string of dot following the If spacing looks off, lift the wet dot with a dry tip. Always let one layer dry before adding dots on top to avoid smudges. Finishing touches. When dry, erase pencil lines. Not perfection, keep practicing a few minutes a day, and you'll be amazed. See you in the next